again, everybody. Dr. Glenn with Infinite Wellness, here with some more question and answer series portions. I'm glad to have you watching today. Please enjoy the video. Hopefully we'll spark some interest. Love it if you'd ask us some questions. Please hit our little like button and subscribe to our channel. Lots of great content on here now. We've been doing this long enough. There's some good stuff. So hopefully you're benefiting from this, and we'd love to hear more from you. Please keep asking more questions so we can keep going.
All right, today's question says, how can chiropractic care and acupuncture help during pregnancy?
During pregnancy. Okay, great. I know we've done some videos before on fertility and helping women get pregnant, helping with just changes in all kinds of female hormones and things like that. So again, this sort of applies the exact same way. Once women are pregnant, obviously we all know the body's going to start going through a lot of major changes, including rapid weight gain, hormonal imbalances, difficulty in the digestive tract because the body now has to move some stuff around. Organs are going to be moving because of expansion. Lots of things come into play. And both of the main focuses we have in our practice, both chiropractic and acupuncture, really are great ways to help alleviate some of the difficulties that come with these phases. Once a woman is pregnant, that early beginning phase, usually size isn't the issue yet. The predominance of the early part of pregnancy, or at least through that first trimester, involve things like hormone changes and digestive disturbances. As that baby begins to grow a little bit and we start to see the culmination of the baby now changing how the mother's hormone panel works. We've gone through that whole phase of getting to pregnancy. Now we're trying to maintain. Really, that's more the acupuncture side of what I do. Acupuncture is fantastic for helping to balance hormones, trying to do things that will resubstantiate the body's closest to normal as possible. We're not changing hormones. I'm not here to try to fix something, but those little imbalances that can occur because of the rapid change inside of a woman's body can be mitigated or alleviated for symptom stuff by keeping the hormones in a very good balance. So acupuncture is fantastic at that. It helps to really sort of change the body's energy pathways, bring back its normal rhythm as close as possible while growing a child inside, and bring that into normal. The rest of the pregnancy phase really is more the structural side, where the woman's body begins to truly change. We start to see that expansion of the hips, that increased curvature of the lower back or the lumbar spine, and some of that wear and tear from the increased weight. And so as the baby's growing through trimesters 2 and 3, chiropractic becomes fantastic, because getting the body adjusted, keeping that pelvis as stable as possible, keeping as much motion in the low back, and keeping that capability of movement through the lumbar spine keeps a lot of the pain away. We keep a lot of that soreness in the low back out of it. We keep the instability of the hips, the uneven wear. All of that can be helped a great deal by just some minor structural work during pregnancy. Plus, it feels really, really great when things lock up to have that adjustment to get rid of some of the pain you may be experiencing and drop that pain level. Acupuncture doesn't necessarily go away in the second 2 phases either. Most of the time, the body kind of starts to regulate the hormonal stuff by the end of the first trimester, definitely by early second. But we begin to build more inflammation from the joint wear of the increased weight. So acupuncture can still be used even for inflammatory processes at that point. In particular, again, back to that lower back, sometimes in the knees, around the hip joints, those areas where they've become strained from all the excess weight and all the carrying of a baby. I like to make this joke. I'll probably offend some of the moms here. Please don't be too mad at me. But we talk about babies and the connection and how a baby is so wonderful. But technically, until the baby is born, it's a parasite. It's living off of the mother. And I know we like to think of babies as adorable and cute and just amazing, and they really are. And once they're born, they're definitely that. But during that whole phase of a baby's development inside the mother, it's completely parasitic. The baby gives nothing back. Babies get back after they're born, when mom gets to love them and then become mother. But prior to that, it's a little rough. The baby is literally eating off of you, feeding off of you, putting through waste out that your system has to get rid of, and growing off of what you do. So both of what we do, chiro and acupuncture, have some great benefits for helping mom get through that 9 months of difficulty, and even up into labor. I do acupuncture for labor induction if labor is delayed. So there's lots of little things that are encompassed in this that we can do in the holistic medical model to help mom get through this phase. It's a long 9 months and a short 9 months. It goes by pretty quickly, but at the same time, a lot of things change during that period. And there's a lot for mom to deal with. So we offer quite a bit. And it's wonderful to get to do that. It's satisfying to us. We love to watch our moms go through, have a more comfortable pregnancy, have a much easier birth, lots of things there. We do a lot of stretch work to help near the end in that third trimester to help mom be able to give birth easier. There's just so many great benefits to alternative healthcare when it comes to pregnancy. So that's a little bit more of what we can offer. Hopefully it's something you'll be interested in. And please, if you have questions, if there are things you want to know about, can it help this, or what kind of things are available to me for whatever that may be, please ask us in the comments. We'd love to be able to continue and give you a little more information for some of that.